The DJI Mini 6 Pro is no longer a myth. It is the drone that is currently sending shockwaves through the entire tech industry. And if the latest leaks from the supply chain are anything to go by, we are about to witness the biggest generational leap in drone history. For those of you in the US, the UK, and Europe, the struggle has always been the same. You want professional-grade 6K footage. You don't want to deal with the heavy regulations, registration fees, and flight restrictions that come with heavier aircraft. The Mini 6 Pro is designed to be the ultimate loophole sub 250-gram beast that performs like a flagship Mavic 3 Pro, but fits comfortably in your jacket pocket. We have verified reports suggesting that DJI is finally breaking their own rules by putting a massive 1-inch sensor into the Mini series. And today, we are breaking down every authentic detail you need to know before you spend a single dollar on another drone. Let's start with the camera, because this is where the Mini 6 Pro separates the amateurs from the professionals. For years, DJI carefully gatekept their high-end sensors to protect the sales of their more expensive Air and Mavic lines.
However,
the competition is heating up, and DJI is reportedly responding by equipping the Mini 6 Pro with a brand new 1-inch CMOS Titan sensor. If you understand photography, you know that sensor size is everything. This jump means a massive increase in light gathering capability and a native 14 stops of dynamic range. Whether you are filming the neon lights of Las Vegas at midnight or the harsh midday sun over the Mediterranean, this sensor will preserve details in the shadows and highlights that were previously lost to digital noise. But the real headline is the resolution. We are looking at 6,000 video at 60 frames per second. This is a first for the Mini series. Why does 6K matter for a social media creator? It gives you the crop factor freedom. You can film horizontally and crop into a vertical 9:16 frame for TikTok or Instagram Reels without losing a single ounce of sharpness. Furthermore, the rumors of Hasselblad color science being integrated into the Mini line for the first time are gaining serious traction. This means the legendary natural color solution will be available on a drone you can carry in a small pouch, providing professional color accuracy right out of the camera. To complement this, DJI is introducing an internal electronic ND filter system. This revolutionary tech allows you to adjust your exposure digitally without ever landing the drone to swap physical glass filters. It's giving you total creative control. Mid-dash flight, safety, and autonomy have also seen a massive overhaul. DJI is reportedly moving away from traditional binocular vision sensors in favor of Nightscape LiDAR. Traditional obstacle avoidance relies on light. If it's too dark, the sensors fail. With LiDAR, the Mini 6 Pro emits thousands of laser pulses to create a precise three-dimensional map of its environment in real time. This allows for 360-degree obstacle avoidance that functions perfectly even in total darkness. Imagine engaging Active Track 7.0 to follow you through a dense, dimly lit forest or a complex urban environment at dusk. The drone won't just follow you. It will navigate around every branch and wire with a level of confidence we've never seen in a consumer drone, performance dash-wise. The Mini 6 Pro is expected to debut a new Aeroflow carbon fiber chassis. By switching from standard plastics to high-grade carbon composites, DJI has managed to reduce the structural weight of the frame. This weight saving has been reinvested directly into the battery. We are hearing consistent reports of a 42-minute flight time on the standard battery, and a staggering 55 to 60 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus for a drone that stays under the 250-gram limit. Hitting the 1-hour mark is a feat of engineering. That was considered impossible just 2 years ago. This means more time in the air, more time to get the perfect shot, and less time worrying about your return to home warnings. Additionally, the new motors are designed with silent sweep technology, making the drone significantly quieter than the Mini 4 Pro, which is essential for staying discreet in sensitive public locations. Range and connectivity are the next major pillars of this upgrade. We are moving into the era of DJI 5 transmission. If you have ever flown in a high-interference area like New York City, London, or Tokyo, you know how quickly a video feed can stutter or cut out. 5 is designed to solve this by utilizing a new triple-band frequency that cuts through signal congestion like a knife. This system offers a crystal-clear 108p 60 fps live feed at distances of up to 20 kilometers. It's not just about how far you can go. It's about the rock-solid stability of the connection when you are flying. Behind structures, or through trees, the design of the drone itself is also seeing a subtle but functional shift. The Mini 6 Pro will likely feature larger, more efficient propellers and a redesigned gimbal that allows for a larger upward tilt angle. This is crucial for low-angle shots, looking up at skyscrapers or mountains, a feature that was previously limited by the physical housing of the camera. The foldable arms are also being reinforced with a new magnetic locking mechanism to ensure durability over thousands of flight hours now. Let's talk about the launch timeline and the investment. Based on current production cycles and the recent appearance of new component filings, we are anticipating a late 2026 release. DJI typically targets the September or October window to align with the global holiday shopping season. Regarding price, while the Mini series started as an entry-level option, the Pro moniker now carries a lot of weight. Expect the base unit to start at approximately $899. With the Fly More combo, including the new RC3 controller with a high brightness screen, reaching around $1,100. While this is an increase, you have to consider that you are essentially getting Mavic 3 Pro performance without the need for an FAA. Part 17 license for recreational flights. Is it worth the wait? If you are a professional creator or an enthusiast who demands the best possible image quality, the jump to a 1-inch sensor and 6K video makes the Mini 6 Pro an essential tool. It bridges the gap between a portable hobbyist toy and a serious cinematic machine. The LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance alone is a game-changer for anyone who does solo content and relies on the drone to fly itself while they are in front of the lens. This drone isn't just an update. It's a complete reimagining of what small-scale flight can achieve. This is the most comprehensive look at what is coming next. The Mini 6 Pro represents a turning point where size no longer dictates power. We are monitoring the supply chain daily for the first leaked photos of the final production units, and we will be the first to bring them to you. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and know exactly when the pre-orders go live, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and have your notifications turned on. We are dedicated to bringing you the most authentic, deep-dive tech updates on the web. What feature are you most excited about? Is the 1-inch sensor enough to make you upgrade, or are you more interested in the 60-minute flight time? Let us know in the comments below as we read and value every single one of them. Thank you for watching Tap Tech, and as always, we'll see you in the next one.